drive and the turbocharged 5-cylinder Audi Quattro, the original one.
Well, I think it was apparently when they changed the rules, I think they thought Audi was going to go and do something with it. They didn't make a four-wheel drive road car at that point, so I think everybody thought, well, they'll just be off to do some Dakar or something. And then they turned up with this in the World Rally Championship and
cleaned up.
Yes, only once has a non-four-wheel drive car won the championship since that Audi, and that was the following year when Lancia won it with the 032, which was rear-wheel drive. But after that, it was four-wheel drive all the way.
Now, hey, wait a minute, the Renault 5 surely is meant to have a front engine. This one has an engine where the rear passengers should be.
Yes, this is another Group B car. And they built it with the engine in the rear. Next on the line is the Lancia Delta Integrale. This is a fantastic car. This is a post, Group B car from 1990, sorry. It's the X-Works Rally Car X, driven by Kankanen today. From 1990 over 22 years of this 90 rallies in the UK, Italy, Finland. It finished 5th and 4th and 18th respectively in the 1990 World Rally Championship, and it's won 6 rallies as well. Pretty amazing. So what a car. Great to have it here. Thanks for bringing it.
On the line, another Renault competing in the Tour Sports Stick car. Then we come to Mitsubishi Evo.
This is quite an early Evo, I believe, this one. Inventory. Checking out what this one is now.
Evo, of course, turbocharged four-wheel drive, massive power.
Yep. Very popular Hillclimb cars in Europe as well, so some of them are taken to 700 or 800 horsepower in Europe for their Hillclimb cars. Very, very popular.
The Impreza.
Next on the line we have the first of our many Subarus. This is an ex-Juha Kankanen car, World Rally car. This was on there, had trouble yesterday, but no trouble today, off the line perfectly, which is good to see.
And Juha won the 99 Nesta Finland rally in this car.